Have you ever wondered why some companies like Apple, Nike, and Coca-Cola feel unforgettable? Why you instantly recognize their logos, products, and even the vibe they give off? The secret is branding. And today, I am going to break down what branding really is in just 4 minutes, so you can understand why it matters and how it can make or break any business. If you're serious about growing a business or personal brand, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. You don't want to miss strategies that can take your brand from invisible to unforgettable. Let's get started. 1. What branding actually means. Branding isn't just a logo, color scheme, or catchy slogan. It's the perception people have about your business or yourself. Think of it this way. Your brand is a promise you make to your audience. It tells them what to expect, how you make them feel, and why they should choose you over anyone else. In simple terms, branding equals identity plus reputation plus experience. 2. Why branding matters. Good branding builds trust and makes people loyal. Imagine walking into 2 coffee shops. One is a random place with no personality. The other has a cool vibe, recognizable logo, and consistent messaging. Which one would you choose? Most people pick the one with a strong, memorable brand. Brands also allow businesses to charge more, stand out in crowded markets, and attract customers who align with their values. 3. The key elements of a brand. A visual identity. This includes your logo, colors, fonts, and overall design. Visual identity makes your brand instantly recognizable. Be brand voice and messaging. How your brand speaks to its audience matters. Is it professional, friendly, playful, or authoritative? Your tone should match your audience and values. See values and mission. People don't just buy products, they buy what a brand stands for. Your brand values communicate your purpose and why you exist beyond making money. D. Customer experience. Every interaction counts. How customers feel when they visit your website, talk to your team, or use your product as part of your brand. 4. Personal branding versus business branding. Branding isn't just for companies. Personal branding is how you present yourself online and offline. For example, LinkedIn profiles, Instagram presence, and even the way you communicate with colleagues all contribute to your personal brand. A strong personal brand can open opportunities, attract clients, and grow your influence. Business branding, on the other hand, focuses on products, services, and customer perception. But at the core, both personal and business branding follow the same principles: identity, values, and consistency. 5. How to build a strong brand. Step 1. Define your brand's purpose. Ask yourself, why does my brand exist? What problem does it solve? What feelings do I want to create? Step 2. Know your audience. A brand without a clear audience is like a ship without a compass. Who are you speaking to? What do they care about? Step 3. Create consistent visuals and messaging. Use consistent colors, fonts, and tone across all platforms, websites, social media, packaging, and emails. Consistency builds trust. Step 4. Deliver on your promise. A brand is only as strong as the experience it delivers. Always meet or exceed expectations. Step 5. Evolve without losing identity. Brands grow and adapt over time. Apple didn't stay the same. They evolved their products, marketing, and design while staying true to their core values of simplicity and innovation. 6. Examples of great branding. Apple minimalistic, innovative, and aspirational. People don't just buy iPhones, they buy the experience and lifestyle. Nike motivational and bold. Just do it isn't a slogan. It's a movement. Coca-Cola, consistent messaging and emotional connection. Happiness, nostalgia, and refreshment are core to their brand. These brands show that branding isn't just about looking good, it's about making people feel something, building trust, and creating loyalty. 7. Common branding mistakes to avoid. Inconsistent messaging and visuals. Copying competitors instead of creating your own identity. Ignoring customer experience. Focusing only on sales instead of relationships. Not evolving with your audience. Remember, branding is long-term. It's about creating a lasting impression, not just a quick sale. Even if you're just starting out, branding matters. A clear, strong brand can differentiate you from the competition, attract loyal customers, and create opportunities you didn't even imagine. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or content creator, investing in your brand now will pay off for years to come. So here's what I want you to do. Think about your brand, personal or business, and write down one thing you can do today to make it stronger. If this video helped you understand branding, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe for more business and marketing tips. Share this video with someone trying to grow their brand or business. Remember, branding is perception, consistency, and value. Nail these and you'll never be invisible again.